Hello everyone, this is a brief tutorial on a small but significant update that Schoology has made to Google Drive assignments. So Google Drive assignments are those assignments where you make a copy of a Google Doc, slide, or spreadsheet for all of your students, and then they work from that template and you can provide feedback as that work unfolds. If you're unfamiliar with how to generate one of those assignments, you simply click on Add Assignment. And like always, put in a title. So Sustainability Challenge. You put in some directions. And here, when you're adding directions, this is a great place. If you want, you can add a link to additional resources, a link to a YouTube video, or even links to other Google Docs that are view only that you want your kids to be able to use. You assign a date. You assign a category. You can use a rubric if you like, or you can use points, right? And then we're going to associate a Google Doc, right? So we click on our Google Drive assignments. For me, I keep everything course related in a course folder, right? So here is my biology folder. I have all of my various units laid out. I click on environmental science, and here is the assignment template that I want. Eventually, right, since this is going to make a copy for each kid, it's great that you keep your templates within course folders. So I attach that. It's going to make a copy now for all of my students, and I'm ready to go. I've already done this, right? So I'm not going to actually create this one, but we'll hop over to the example that I have in place. So here I have that Google Drive assignment. I have my directions, I have my rubric. I'm able to click here on the assignment in progress, and I'm also able to look at submissions. So the assignment in progress is a great place to be able to click through my different students, see what they're working on, and provide them with some feedback. But grading and providing feedback in this space, in this iframe, is a little clunky. What Schoology has done is they've added this little pop-out, which is super convenient for lots of reasons. So when I click on the pop-out, the first thing that happens is that I have the full Google Docs editor, right? And one of the tools that I love using as a admin and as a teacher is permanent clipboard, right? So I can click on a place where I want to give feedback to my learner. I click on comments. I right click, I say insert from permanent clipboard, and I have other tutorials that show you how to set this up, right? And very quickly I can provide feedback to my students that they can act on. In addition, Schoology is organizing all of your students' work for you, right? So if I click over here on where the file is organized, I can open that in a new folder, and every student who's begun this work, all of their work is organized here for me in their Google Drive, right? One place to come and see all of my kids' work. So all of that starts here with this little pop-out that Schoology is giving me. In addition, when my kids have submitted their work, periodically kids will leave feedback and comments on the assignment, questions that they want me to address, right? So in this case, Bruce is asking for help with additional resources, right? And I can respond to Bruce here within this iframe space, but for me that's a little clunky. I just click over here, right? And now I can respond to Bruce and his comment outside of Schoology, full framed editor. And then when I'm done, I can just close it, right? I'm back here in Schoology. I just responded to Barry's work, and now I can click and proceed on to Billy's work. All right, so it's one small little update, the pop-out, but it increases your efficiency in being able to transact and work with students' work so much more. So enjoy.